Students, I am Sushil Smotra for second lecture on forces and laws of motion for class 9th for section A and B. Yesterday we read about inertia, definition of inertia. Now we will discuss the question on inertia at page number 25 of your textbook, so that the question can be presented in examination view, how we have to write and how we have to present. Question is given, which has more inertia, rubber ball and a stone of same size, whereas the stone of same size has more weight, more mass, and rubber ball has less mass and weight, so it has less inertia, means stone of same size has more inertia. Second part or B part, a bicycle and a train. A train has more mass, so it has more inertia than a bicycle. 1 rupee coin has less mass than a 5 rupee coin, so 5 rupee coin has more inertia. All of these have more inertia as compared to things with them. So this is a question 1. Question number 2 here. Question number 2 is regarding example, identify the number of times of the velocity of ball changes when a football player kicks a football to another player of his team, who kicks the football towards the goal. The goalkeeper of the opposite team collects the football and kicks it onward toward the player of his own team. Also identify the agent supplying the forces in each case. Here we take separate. There are 4 cases. First, the football player is supplying force. Who first kicks, he is supplying force. Second, the other player. Third time, the goalkeeper when he stops the ball. And fourth, when he kicks it toward the player of his time. It means overall there are 4 times the velocity changes with the direction also. Question number 3, explain why some of the leaves vigorously may get detached from a tree if we vigorously shake its branch. When we vigorously shake the branch of a tree, the branch is set in motion. Due to inertia of rest, leaves tend to remain at rest and get detached, but strongly attached leaves do not fall. Here in this case it is written कि when we vigorously तब बहुत ज़ोर से shake में हिलाएंगे branch of the tree, the branch जो होगी it sets in motion, ये चलना शुरू कर देगी. But due to inertia of rest, leaves जो होंगे they tend to remain at rest, और क्या हो जाएंगे, get detached. But those leaves who are strongly attached will not be detached. So it is the 4th question, which is also on the inertia. Why do you fall in forward direction when the moving bus brakes to stop and falls backward when it accelerates from rest? A passenger sitting in a running bus, जो पैसेंजर बस में बैठा होता है, इज़ आल्सो इन मोशन इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. वो भी अपने आप को क्या करता है, गाड़ी की डायरेक्शन में ही क्या करता है, अपने आप को मोशन में रखता है. व्हेन द रनिंग बस स्टॉप सडनली, जब उसको ब्रेक्स अप्लाई होती हैं, लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द पैसेंजर ऑफ द बॉडी कम्स रेस्ट. लोअर पार्ट उसके साथ टच होता है, वो क्या करता है, रेस्ट में आ जाता है. वाइल द अपर पोर्शन कंटिन्यूसली टू रिमेन इन मोशन. अपर पोर्शन क्या होता है, कंटिन्यूसली क्या होता है, मोशन में रहता है. एज ए रिजल्ट द पैसेंजर इज थ्रोन इन द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. सिमिलरली इन द केस व्हेन बस accelerates suddenly from rest, the lower part of the body of the passenger comes in motion while the upper part of the body continuously remain at rest. Due to the inertia of rest, so the passenger gets बैकवर्ड जर्क। तो जब लोअर पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी जो होता है पैसेंजर का वो क्या हो जाता है, जब गाड़ी रेस्ट से एक्सेलरेट होती है तो मोशन में हो जाता है। अपर पार्ट अगेन किस में रहता है, ड्यू टू इनर्शिया रेस्ट में रहता है। सो पैसेंजर क्या करता है, पैसेंजर को एक बैकवर्ड जर्क लगती है व्हेन द बस स्टार्ट्स सडनली फ्रॉम द रेस्ट। These questions I am also giving you in the PDF form so that you can also note, write on your notebook and learn it properly and put the your photocopy on the your group when the group will open tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. You have to post your homework so that we will consider that you are doing your work and regularly. Thank you, students.